Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This week got another new little toy for the garage. I showed you a quick glimpse of this box last week, and it's a gift from somebody giving up what they were up to, and thought I'd go through it with you. Something I haven't got in the workshop, and it'll be a nice addition to the toolbox. And here we go. It is a hydraulic crimping tool. I've been wanting one of these for a little while because I've got a few jobs that I can do with it. Hopefully today I'll get one of those jobs out of the way and to see if this works. It's second hand. It hasn't had too bad a life by the look of it. It comes complete with some new O-rings and a few other bits and pieces. I'm not quite sure what that is. But it's got all the dies with it, and it does close like it's supposed to. So I'll show you in a tick what I'm going to do with it, because for many years now I've had a problem with my welder. It's an arc welder, 200 amp one, or 210 I think it is, and the cables come straight out the front. They don't actually plug in or anything. They've got like a ferrule, well, a connector like this one, and they're missing. They've pulled out over the years, and at the moment I've got the cable wrapped round, twisted round, and then the nut tightened up on it. So I thought, well, I've got a couple of these, had these for years, didn't want to put them on because I didn't have a crimper. So now I've got a crimper, I might as well do the job, and we'll see if the tool works. So I'll show you in a tick what it's all about. Now, as you can see, this is here the welding thing, and I've got a nut on there which is seized on, and as you can see, that's just flapping around in the breeze to make contact on there, which is not good. So what I'm going to try and do is cut this off, put a proper terminal on it, get this off without breaking it, and see where we go from there. Right, now that's the end of the cable I've got. See how I've twisted it round before and just got it with two washers squished up. Not the best idea, but it was all I could do at the time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this cable and cut it off. I've got a little hacksaw for that, and pick a nice piece. So what I've got is that. I think it'll be about the right size for this. I'll cut that off with a Stanley knife. The right distance. That's got it. That should fit inside there if I'm lucky. Twist it up, put it on, press it down, get it right in there, like that. That should do it. That's a lot neater. So next thing is to crimp it up. Now I have noticed on this lug here there's a number, and it's SC35, and I found in the box a die with 35 on it, and it looks about right. So I shall try it with this one. Put that in the centre, close the knob and pump this up. Right, now we're looking fairly close, and keep going until it closes up like that, and then we'll slack it off. I don't know, feels okay. I'm just going to crimp it again further up, close that up. That's it, right to the edge this time. I'll crimp it up. Good, that's right up to the top. Now that looks a little better. And it's not coming off. So now from here I think I'd like to put a bit of heat shrink on that. So I'll find some of that. Okay, now I've got a bit of this. It's too small. Right, now I've got a bit of this heat shrink. Hopefully this will go over the top. It will. So I shall cut a piece about that long. It's going to the positive on the welder, so I'll use a bit of red. Right, I'll just get this over here like that, and get the old cheap heat gun, plug that in, and just warm that up. Nice job. Not bad. Right, as I was taking this nut thing off, the thread's a bit manky on it, so I'm going to have a look, see if I've got a die that matches that on a tap. And I'll run the die down the original thread on the welder, stick the bottoming tap in here, and then I can refit it. Let's have a look, see if I've got a tap. Okay, so that's that cleared up. Here's my new cable. I've got a washer to go over the top, and then this, put a washer on first, and this should tighten up quite nice. That's much better. Yeah, that is much better. All I've got to do now is try and get the other one sorted, which is a bit more of a mess than this one. Held on with a clamp. But that is much better. I'm happy with that. And the crimp tool did its job. Well, that's it for this week. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like and subscribe. And we're back next week with another project. I think I have a well pump that has gone bad, and it looks like I'm going to have to make a tool to get it apart. Looks like a semi-sealed unit. So until then, bye for now.